Manual tools. General tool maintenance. As mentioned in the last section, manual tools can generally be maintained by the farmer. Here are some maintenance tips for manual tools. Wash and dry tools after each use. Store tools in a cool, dry place. Sharpen blades regularly. Grease and lubricate metal blades before storage. Keep wooden handles away from termites, and replace worn-out parts. Shovel. There are many types of shovels for specialized uses. Shovels should always be carried with the blade facing down for safety. Shovels can be used for transferring soil from one place to another, excavation or digging into soil, mounding soil, harvesting root or tuber crops, and loading materials into wheelbarrows. Rake. There are also many types of rakes for specialized uses. Rakes should always be carried with the teeth facing down for safety. Rakes can be used for leveling soil, breaking up lumps in soil, spreading grains and beans for drying, covering vegetable seeds when broadcast sown, and removing stones from soil. Cutlass or machete. A cutlass, also called a machete, is a tool primarily used for cutting. The utmost of care should be taken to carry the tool blade down for safety. Cutlasses can be used for clearing and slashing bushes, felling trees, pruning tree crops, harvesting crops like coconut, banana, pineapple, and sugarcane, weeding, and light digging. Wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow can be used to move material effectively over long distances. For storage, ensure wheelbarrow is cleaned of debris and stored upside down or leaned against a structure to prevent water collection, which will degrade your wheelbarrows. Ensure tire pressure is correct before each use, and often lubricate wheel bearings. Pickaxe or digger. A pickaxe or digger is a tool consisting of a double-sided blade on a long handle used for swinging. Pickaxes can be used to remove roots or tree stumps, till very hard soils, and dig soil or break rock. Seed box. Seed boxes can be used for carrying seeds or for starting crops from seed to be transplanted later. Garden fork and hand fork. The garden fork, also called the pitchfork, is a long-handled fork-like tool with long tines for digging and breaking up soil. The hand fork is a similar but smaller hand tool. Garden forks can be used to pick up or move grain or grasses, dig and loosen soil to harvest root or tuber crops. Hoe. A hoe is a tool used to cultivate the soil and remove weeds. There are many types of hoes. Some are better for loosening soil. This includes the Warren hoe and paddle hoe in the image below. Others, like the stirrup or action hoe, are best for removing weeds from already cultivated soil. Some can cut through stubborn weed roots, like the swough shown below. Sickle and scythe. The sickle and scythe are related tools used for mowing or harvesting grasses or grain and cereal crops. Both tools have long, curved, and very sharp blades for cutting. The sickle has a short handle and is held in one hand. The scythe has a longer handle and requires both hands to hold it properly. Hand shears and hedge trimmers. Hand shears, or pruners, and hedge trimmers are also related tools which have similar uses but differ in size. Both are used for trimming, cutting, and shaping. Hand shears and pruners are small enough to be held using one hand. Hedge trimmers are larger and require two hands to operate. Due to their larger size, hedge trimmers are able to cut through thicker branches and stems. Wheel and drum seeder. Wheel and drum seeders have been developed to make planting easier for the farmer. This tool will cut a row into already cultivated soil, sow and space seeds appropriately, and cover the seeds with soil. Use of a seeding tool can significantly increase the ease and speed of sowing seeds directly into the field. Knapsack sprayer. A knapsack sprayer is used to apply liquids such as fertilizers, herbicides, and pesticides to crops. The knapsack sprayer gets its name from the pressurized reservoir worn on the farmer's back like a knapsack. Caution should be taken when using chemicals, and knapsack sprayers should be cleaned and sanitized between uses. If chemicals are stored in the sprayer, it should be labeled to indicate the contents. Rhombus. A rhombus is used to store grains. Regular maintenance is needed to ensure that there are no leaks. Moisture can spoil grain, so the rhombus must be built in a dry area.